And here is a video on how to quickly replace the water filter in your fridge. As you can see here, I have a fairly older fridge that's made by Kitchenaid, and it's got the ice making machine, and it's got the water. Usually those machines comes with a filter, and you'll see the indication of the filter right over here, which means it's about time to replace. So the filter I have here is a generic filter I bought on Amazon, which works just fine. I'll post a link below on where I got it. And basic tool you'll need probably is a fairly big wrench that you can grab onto the jaw or the lip of the rear of the filter. So to take the old one out, the filter is usually located at the bottom. So right over here. Mine is really tight. Maybe your fridge have a fairly light setting maybe, but mine is really tight, so I have to use this to grab it. And then usually you twist it counterclockwise to open it. As you can see, it's already popping out, so keep twisting. And you can just take the filter out like that. It won't leak water outside. Usually if it leaks, just a little bit, but it shouldn't leak. And looks like my last filter is also this brand, which I guess is good. So it's leaking a little bit over there. And your new filter, I'm gonna put it in here. Of course, don't forget the cap. Some of the filters have a filter cap on the top, so put it onto your new filter, slide it like that, and then of course don't forget to take the cap right over here out. And then you're just gonna push it in the the reverse of how you took it out. Okay. So I align it, and now you're gonna have to turn it clockwise, which you probably have to use some force. Let's see, a little adjustment. Doing this with one hand. Okay, so I'm gonna twist it clockwise. Hopefully it goes all the way in. And I can hear a sound, which means the filter is installed. So usually with a new filter, you'll have to run cold water through your chilled water port for about, I guess, let's see what the instruction says. So this one lasts about 6 months. So set your timer for 6 months for filter replacement. And also over here, you have to reset. Usually for mine, it's just press it a few times, it becomes green. So it's reset. And over here I have a reminder. So basically I changed this from, this is March, so I need to switch it in September. Just a reminder for yourself. And see the instruction. It usually comes with the install instruction, which is nice. And you have to run the water from the dispenser for about 6 to 8 minutes, or 3 to 4 gallons of water, to clear the system and prevent sputtering, which is like water splashing all over. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, if you forgot to do that, your water is gonna taste funny sometimes because of the active carbon in the filter. But it's okay, just pour the water out or use it to water your plants and flowers. And after about 6 to 8 minutes or 3 to 4 gallons running through the system, your fridge should have clear and clean water that tastes great. So there you have it. This is how you replace a regular water filter in a fridge. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.